Maayong adlaw, this is Rosie, your Speak Like a Local teacher. And today we are going to learn basic phrases and common questions. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Maayong adlaw, good day. Maayong buntag, good morning. Maayong udto, good noon. Maayong hapon, good afternoon. Maayong gabi, good evening. Mamahaw ta, let's have breakfast. This phrases, you're gonna do this or you're gonna ask this. We're gonna say this if you want somebody to eat with you. Ask them to eat with you, you say mamahaw ta, this is for breakfast. Mani udto ta, let's have lunch. Mani hapon ta, let's have dinner. Mga tulog na ta, let's go and sleep. Salamat kaayo, thank you very much. Pasaylo ako or pasensya ka na. Pasensya ka na or pasensya na ka. I'm sorry. Gigutom ko, I'm hungry. Gigutom ko. Gigutom ko. I'm hungry. Wala pa ko gigutom. I'm not hungry yet. Or I'm not hungry yet. Or wala pa ko gigutom. And the other way around, you say, busog pa ko. I'm still full. Another one, mangaon ta, let's eat. Then if you want to ask someone if they already eat or not, you can say, nagkaon na ka? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? Have you eaten yet? Nagkaon na ka? Alright, this one, mamauli na ta, let's go home. Mamauli na ta, let's go home. Next, let's go to the next page. Let's go to the next page. Okay, dire na ta sa ikaduha nga page. Ikaduha nga page. Mulakaw nako, I have to go. Mulakaw nako. Mulakaw nako, future. Mulakaw nako. Next, muadto nako sa trabaho. I have to go to work. Sunod, dili ko mukaon ana. This is very common if you don't like to eat something. I don't wanna eat that. Or I don't eat that. Dili ko mukaon ana. Dili ko mukaon ana. Okay, kaon, eat. Dili ko ganahan ana. I don't like that. Di ko ganahan ana. Dili ko ganahan ana or di ko ganahan ana. I don't like that. Next, asa si mama? Where's mother? I don't know, where is mother? Wala ko kabalo, asa siya? Nagunsa siya dito. What is she doing there? Nagunsa siya dito. Giunsa nimo na pagbuhat? How did you do that? Giunsa nimo na pagbuhat. Giunsa nimo na pagbuhat. Alright. Sunod, next, asa mo gapuyo? Where do you live? Asa mo gapuyo? Sunod, nganong ganahan ka magtuon og Cebuano? Why do you like to learn Cebuano? Nganong ganahan ka magtuon og Cebuano? Nganong is like, this is just a linker. It's like ngano nga, but to make it short, nganong ganahan ka magtuon og Cebuano? Easy that way. Next, tagpila ni. Tagpila ni. How much is this? Tagpila ni. Tagpila ni. Okay, sayon ra kaayo. Very easy. Tagpila na, this is the opposite. How much is that? This one, the tagpila ni, this is when you are holding the things or when you are holding the object. So you're asked the second person, how much is this? Oh, tagpila ni. And this one is when the object is away from the speaker, or maybe this is the object is near to the listener. You say, tagpila na. How much is that? All right. Kanus ka na tao. Oh, kanus ka na tao. Oh, when kanus when you na tao, like become a person. Uh, the literal translation of this is, when did you become a person? All right, but this is actually it means, when is your birthday? Kano sa ka na tao? Okay? And this one, kanus ka mo anhi diri? When are you coming here? This one's supposed to be when, okay? I'm sorry for that. When. Okay, because this is kanusa. I made a mistakes here. Pasensya na kamo. Alright? Pasensya na kamo, pasaylo ako. Unsa gani to imong pangutana? What's your question again? Imong pangutana? Unsa gani to imong pangutana? What is your question again? Gani is like, again, asking for clarification. Gani. Gani. Unsa gani to imong pangutana? What is your question again? This one, kaila ka ni Ronnie? Do you know Ronnie? Your tubag is either you don't know, you say, ambot lang. Or if you know him, you say, oh, kaila ko niya. Oh, kaila ko ni Ronnie. Alright. Asa mo nagkaila? Where did you two meet? Okay. This one, I cannot say. This is kinsa. Kinsa imong ginikanan. Who are your parents? This is kinsa, okay? Kinsa. This one. Pakibalik palihog imong pangutana. Please repeat the question. Pakibalik palihog imong pangutana. Alright, get it? I hope you get it. Anyway, you can copy it. Okay, sunod mo adto ta sa last page. This is only vocabulary. Vocabulary, Bisaya to English. Balay, house. Kwarto, room. Hagdanan, or hagdanan, stairs. Abuhan, kitchen. Casillas, variation to. Some places they will say carcillas, ang uban moingon casillas, okay? In English, toilet. Bangko, chair. Katri, bed. Katri. Tulo ka iring. Katri, bed. Katri. So if you forget about bed, you just think about 3 cat. So cat 3. So tulo ka iring, cat 3. Bed. Next, la mesa, table. Bintana, window. Pultahan, door. Dingding, wall. Atop, roof. Salog, floor. Baso, mug or glass. Baso. Next, espiho, sa amin. Sa espiho, sa amin, that is mirror. Espiho. Naa kay espiho diha? Na kay sa amin diha? Do you have any mirror? Espiho, mirror. Caldero, cooking pot. Caldero, Makita ni siya sa abuhan, kaldero, kung gusto ka magluto or maglungag og kanon, gamito nimo kaldero. Dili kalha. Kalha, frying pan. Kalha, 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 kalha. Okay. Plato, plates. Kutsara, spoon. Kutsara, tinidor, fork. Okay. So, hinaut ko nga namin nasabtan karong adlaw, and that's all for today. See you again next time. Daghang salamat og amping kanunay.